Remove the cable tie that fixes the cables. Remove the control cable for empty cup switching function. Remove the terminals of the cup dropping device. Remove the 2 fixing screws on the left side of the cup dropping device. Remove the fixed nut on the right side by using the socket wrench. Remove the 2 fixing screws on the right side of the cup dropping device. Then the cup dropping device can be removed. Pass the hole on the upper right corner of the cup dropping device through the positioning screw. Then install the screw below. Then install the other screw on the right side. Install the 2 fixing screws on the left side. Install the nut on the positioning screw using a socket wrench. Install the terminals of the cup dropping device. Install the control cable for empty cup switching function. The red line is on the inside, and the white line is on the outside. Make sure the cables are installed securely. Fix these 2 cables with cable tie. Cut off the excess cable tie.